Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Blumenort, Manitoba, a charming community located in the southeastern part of the province. Known for its picturesque surroundings, Blumenort offers a peaceful and friendly atmosphere that makes it a delightful place to visit or call home. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian prairies, this area is characterized by its flat, fertile lands and expansive skies, providing a serene backdrop for the community. Blumenort was established in the late 19th century by Mennonite settlers, who were drawn to the region by the promise of fertile farmland and the opportunity to build a new life. The name Blumenort itself reflects the area's natural beauty as it translates to flower place in German. The community's rich Mennonite history has shaped its culture, values, and way of life, contributing to the strong sense of community and cooperation that defines Blumenort. The area around Blumenort is predominantly agricultural, with farming playing a significant role in the local economy. Blumenort is strategically located, providing easy access to larger centers like Winnipeg and Steinbach. This makes it an ideal place for those who appreciate the tranquility of rural living while still wanting the convenience of nearby urban amenities. Thank you for joining us on this quick tour of Blumenort, Manitoba, where the pace of life is relaxed and where the beauty of the natural world is always close at hand. Thanks for watching!